Today I am here come for the training to the fire and safety procedure. Okay. There is 5 units there fire and safety procedure. Okay. First is the nature and cause of fire. Second is classification of fire. Third is method of firefighting equipment. Fourth one is method of spreading fire. Fifth is responding to the fire. There are the 5 type of unit the fire and safety procedure. Fire does not respect anyone or anything. It's killed, maims, destroy, can leave the people if they are jobless, destroyed by the workplace, the fire. Okay, fire will double in size every 40 seconds. Every 40 seconds, fire will double in size. Uh, Average response time. Average response time 8 to 12 minutes. When that starting fire, within 8 to 12 minutes must be response for the fire. Offer 25% cost of the fire by smoking cigarette. Understand? Alright. For a start the fire, 3 things must be present. It's known as the fire triangle. 3 things must be present. It's known as the fire triangle. It's a heat, fuel, and oxygen. These 3 things must be present for the starting fire. Each of these component sufficient support to the fire will start. Heat, fuel, or oxygen. Understand? Okay. Heat is the each of this component sufficient quantities of fire will result. This process called combination. Okay. Heat is the source of ignitions. Always heat is source of the ignition. Sometimes come in the sun. Sometimes we will put some heat plate, support plate like this. This also coming heat. Okay. Example: electric spark, welding spark, wooden stove pot, flame, embers of coal. This also heat. Okay. Fuel mean every combustible burning materials will come fuel. It's plastic, wooden, paper, cloth, fuel, flammable gases, also flammable fuel. Okay. Oxygen is simply oxygen supplied by the air outside. Okay. Understand? Right. There are 5 type of fire extinguishers here. Okay. Water, foam, spray, carbon dioxide, and ABC powder and wet chemical. These 5 type of the fire extinguishers. Okay. There are it's a 5 type of class: class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. When we are using the fire extinguisher, we have understand which kind of classes we have used the fire extinguishers. Okay. There are water fire extinguishers can understand is the way they are inside the red color bar. Okay. Then foam spray extinguishers can identify color on the cream. Okay. Then ABC powder bar on the blue. Okay. Carbon dioxide black and wet chemical yellow. Okay. Right. When that using class A fire, it's a class A fire mean wooden, paper, plastic. Every class A fire can use water, foam, ABC powder, and wet chemical. Okay. Every combustible material. But we not using carbon dioxide. If we are using carbon dioxide, fire will grow away. Then class B fire, we can use foam, ABC powder, carbon dioxide. Only these 3 fire extinguishers can use for the class B fire. We are not using water and we are not using wet chemical. Okay. Class C fire means flammable gases. Flammable gases mean methane, butane, propane, LP gas, everything come in the class C fire. We can use only for this fire ABC powder and carbon dioxide. Okay. Next is the class D fire, electrical fire. We can use ABC powder and carbon dioxide. Then last is the cockle and fat. We can use only wet chemical. Okay, understand? Okay. Right. There are controlling fire. We have three methods using for the controlling fire. First is the starving, then second is smoothing, and third one is cooling. Okay. Starving mean if in case of fire, if we can remove the fuel from the fire, it's calling starving. Okay. Smoothing mean if can removing the heat from the fire, then calling the smoothing. If we can remove the oxygen from the fire, we call it smoothing. Okay. If we can remove the oxygen from the fire, they call it smoothing. Last is the cooling. If we can remove the heat from the fire, we can call in the cooling. Okay. The example, if we are put the socket for the charging for the mobile phone, it will be little coming and blowing the heat. Afterward, it will be blowing heating will start the fire. We should have removed the socket, then it will be coming cool. Okay, that's the cooling. Okay. Other things, firefighting equipment. There are two types of firefighting equipment. One is the portable firefighting equipment. Second is fixed firefighting equipment. Portable firefighting equipment mean always if we are as a security guard, we are using small type fire, we can respond. Then we can use the fire extinguishers. They are a portable firefighting equipment we can use. It's like fire extinguishers, fire blanket, fire bucket, sand bucket, etc. These all are portable firefighting equipment. Then second is fixed firefighting equipment. Always they are using by the civil defense. They are a fixed firefighting equipment like a fire hydrant. You see this one? This is the name fire hydrant, and sprinkler, fire gas light, fire hose drill. This also are fixed firefighting equipment. Okay. Understand this thing?
Yeah.
Any doubt is here?